You may have seen the headlines popping up over the past few days. A federal judge in Texas ruling that the male-only draft is unconstitutional. You may not know what led up to that ruling and what it actually means for the country going forward. So let's break it down. I've enlisted the help of Professor Jamie Abrams. She teaches at the Brandeis School of Law at the University of Louisville. First, a quick history lesson. The case today can be traced back to a Supreme Court case in 1981, Rosker versus Goldberg. Back then, women were not eligible for any combat roles in the military, so the court ruled that it was constitutional to exclude them from the draft. Flash forward to 2015, though, and there was an important change.
So in 2015, under the Obama administration, Secretary Ash Carter reversed the position on women's role in combat and opened up the doors to all branches of the military for women to serve in combat positions.
Now, it is important to note this is not an injunction from the court. It's not requiring any specific action from the government right away, and it's very likely we'll see this decision appealed to higher courts, meaning we're not going to be seeing girls in Kentuckiana start registering for the draft when they turn 18 anytime soon. And besides, even men haven't actually been drafted into combat since the 1970s. But Professor Abrams says it would be a mistake to see this ruling as only symbolic.
Military service today looks very different than military service did historically. The kinds of technologies we use, the ways in which we engage in combat, and it's really a bigger question than just women in the draft. It's draft question mark. So do we need a draft in modern times? And what is the most effective way to run and administer the draft if we do need it?
All right, if you have a question about something bugging you and you want to find out what's up, just send me a Facebook message or a tweet at Rob Harris TV.